gonna kind of. I mean, I wish I could stay all day.
Oh, we are on a farm. Ain't no doubt about that smell. And all I can say is America. I mean, that's what it's all about. I didn't see this being on this trip when we left Saturday, but I mean, miracles do happen. Met my match.
Did you?
Met my match. This is brutal. I think I gotta get in there though. Sweet Jesus. Do it. Screw it. Get in there and man up. Get yourself on a hog and do it. Rode a hog. Yeah! The smell got me big time. And now we're going to head to the preg check. Life on the farm. If we're gonna come up here and experience the way other people do life, you gotta jump in there.
Sleeving up. There's a cow that needs to be checked for pregnancy. Oh, it's so warm. I feel something. There, she's crapping all over me.
Oh gosh. Take your time.
Let's try it again.